formula la substitute pannu. X power 5 into b. 5x power 4, first case. U dash dash. Oh. X power 5. Oh, multiply பண்ணலாம். 15x power 4. So it's 9 plus 4. Minus 5. Like terms cancel. 54 minus 30. And x power minus 5 வந்து denominator. 15x power 4 plus 24 by x power 5. வெறும் 24 by x power 5. 24 மட்டும் தான் x power 5.
Okay, so you take the color chalk paste and identify which are all the important steps.
So given we have to find the derivative of x power 5 into 3 minus 6 power x minus 9. So here I am adopting the product rule UV formula. So this is the first step.
Use color. Box select. Box selector.
So I am adopting the product rule UV formula U dash V plus V dash U. So first I am taking this as U and this term as V. So we have to find the value of U dash and V dash. So here x power 5 is given, so d by dx of x power 5 is 5x power 4. We are adapting power rule. And same way here in v dash. So v is given as 3 minus 6x power minus 9. So the value of constant is 0 and here I am bringing this power minus 9 to the coefficient. So minus of minus 9. So be careful with the negative sign. So minus of minus 9 into 6x to the power minus 10 because minus 9 minus 1. So we are writing this minus 10. So while multiplying we get as 54x because minus of minus turns into plus. So 54x power minus 10. So we have found out all the values. So we found out what formula should be applied in this question and the values we have found out, and so we have to substitute it in this formula. So I am substituting the value of u dash as 5x power minus 4. The value of v is 3 minus 6x to the power minus 9 plus v dash. So 54x power minus 10 into u x power 5. So I am multiplying. So here I am multiplying. So we get it as 15x power 4 minus 30x power minus 5 plus 54x power minus 5. So I am combining the like terms. 15x power 4, 54 minus 30 we get as 24x power minus 5. So I am bringing this negative sign to the denominator. So be careful, you have to put the x power 5 only to 24 and not common for both the terms. So the answer is 15x power 4 plus 24x power 5.
Okay, good. Thank you.